what we had, alerts, I believe. So let's create another file, not in model. I will do it in errors here. It's a Swift file, alert item. And we're going to create a struct of alert item. Identifiable is the protocol we want to conform to. And then we say let ID is equals to UUID. So we can generate a unique ID for each alert. Then we conform to identifiable. So let title, each alert item has a title, a message, and a dismiss button. So our title is a text, and it's a may complain because we haven't imported SwiftUI. Okay, title is text. Let message is text. And finally, let this miss button is of alert button. So this is our alert item. It has all these parameters. Then we are going to create another struct, alert context. And here we are going to basically write all our default alerts, and whenever we want, we just choose which one to pass. So I would say static let enable to fetch total stats equals alert item. Title is going to be text, and we say error world data, world total. Message is going to be text, and let's say server doesn't respond, and /n, which means new line, and say please try again later. Dismiss button is going to be just default label OK. And I'm going to copy this 2 times. The second one is going to be unable to, it's missing an O here, unable to fetch country stats, and the text is going to be error country data. And for text, let's put enable receive data from the server, again /n for new line. Please try again later. And pattern is again OK. It should be actually text OK. And the last one is unable to fetch countries. I just say server error as title, and let's put the text enable capital to fetch a list of countries /n, please try again later. All right, so we have our alert context and alert item. So three default alerts we want, or actually we can use. And now let's put them into a good use. So there are two places we want to use it. It's our country data. And while we are here, let's make them nicely in a folder. Details view. So in our main view model, I'm going to uncomment my alert item. And we need to set it here. So I will say self.alert item is equals to alert context dot enable to fetch total stats, because this is our total data. So we can actually get rid of the print there. And the second one, again, we get rid of the print, remove the to do. I will copy and paste this down here, but we say, since we are fetching all regions, I will say enable to fetch countries. And actually I noticed a mistake here. It's 0, not O. Command P. I'm missing something here. Oh, now it should be good. Command P. Let's see where the error is. This one is done. One more time, Command P to see everything is working. And the second one is our country detail view model. And I will uncomment this so that we can pass our alert. Alert context, enable. We are searching for a report, so we'll say enable to fetch country stats. Okay, so we do set our alert item, but we are not showing it so far. So let's go to our main view. All right, and at the bottom here, if you scroll down where our toolbar is, or our navigation title. So before my toolbar and after my navigation title, I'm going to say alert. And here is an option, is presented error action. So is presented, we are going to pass our binding here. It's going to be $ view model dot alert item. Actually, not is presented. We need an item here. Item and content. Sorry about that. Alert item content, and I will say $ view model dot alert item, and content is going to be, if you just hit OK on that, we are going to pass in an alert item in. And here we need to create an alert item. So we say we are creating an alert, and we are passing our title, message, and dismiss. And this will be the alert item dot title. alert item dot message and alert item dot dismiss button. So if I copy this and go to country detail view, scroll down, and before on appear, I will pass the same thing. It should work perfectly. So every time there is an alert, we will see it. So if you run your application now, just try to run it. I cannot simulate no internet connection on my MacBook Pro, but try to disable the network on your phone and use it. You will see that there are alerts, and you will see whenever you cannot fetch the information, it will tell you a specific alert that we are getting back. The only difference would be, I guess, unless it's your first time and you don't have saved this data in the local database, you will never see this alert because this is available offline as well. But the total data or a specific country data alert, if there is no network call connection, you should be able to see. You just have to wait because we have a timeout of 10 seconds, I think, if I remember correctly, from our network call. But after 10 seconds, you should be presented with an alert telling you that whatever the alert we have provided. So yeah, this is it. Our application is ready. It shows all the information about current stats worldwide and country by country. And I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short course, but we built a nice, useful application. So if you like the application we built together and if you enjoyed it, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website iOSdevschool.com, and we have lots of more many courses there. You can check them out, and also you can follow us on Twitter as well. If you have any questions, you can ask there. All the information and the links is available in our website at www.iosdevschool.com. Thanks and bye bye.